So let's have a quick recap of the story. The Thief story, written by Ruskin Bond. Here we see that the narrator of the story is a young boy of 15, right, who consider himself as an experienced thief. And his real name is not given in the story, and he calls himself Hari Singh. He hides his identity this way to save himself from police and the people to whom he betrays. Now we see that how the narrator, he met Anil while watching a wrestling match, and he found Anil to be a simple type of person, an easygoing person. And he thought that he could befriend him through flattery. वो उसे flatter करेगा और उसे दोस्ती कर लेगा, and he could deceive him and then rob him. And then he tried to convince Anil that he wanted to work for him. So he claimed that he could cook his meals. Anil agreed to employ him, and then he took him to his house, which was at Jamna Sweet Shop, on top of Jamna Sweet Shop. And thus, but we find that narrator, he was a very bad cook. He could not cook because Anil, he threw the food to a stray dog. But still we see that Anil, he decided to keep him, and he decided that he would teach him the art of cooking. He also promised that he would teach him reading and writing. So the narrator began to work for Anil regularly. He would make tea for him. He would go to market, buy day's supplies. And while he would come back, he would also keep a rupee for himself. He started stealing this way. In little bits, he started stealing from that is the writer here, who is Anil. He was a writer by profession. And we see that he is not honest man. And he didn't even seem to mind it. The way Hari Singh, he kept on stealing a rupee every day. So Anil, he was a writer who made money by contributing articles to magazine. This is the information that we are given in the story. And he did not have a regular income. Sometimes he would spend his money lavishly. Sometimes he had to borrow money from someone. And Anil, he trusted narrator, that is Hari Singh, completely. He even gave him the key to open and close the room as he pleased. He was allowed to come and go out anytime from the house. So one day, the narrator, he saw Anil, who came home with a small bundle of currency notes. He had earned a good amount of money. And Anil, he was tempted, Hari Singh was tempted to rob Anil. But he felt that it wasn't easy to rob a careless person. We find the psychology of a thief being explained here, that how Hari Singh, he found it difficult to rob Anil, who was a careless man, because a careless man sometimes doesn't even notice that he has been robbed. And it takes all the thrill out of the thief's job, according to the narrator, how he explains that he did not enjoy robbing Anil. And narrator, he still argued. He just tried to convince himself, as he did not pay him any salary, so it would not be any wrong if he robbed him. And he felt that, second thing was that he felt he was out of practice as a thief. उसने काफी दिनों से कुछ चोरी ही नहीं की थी, बड़ी चोरी नहीं की थी. So moreover, if he did not rob him, Anil would probably waste his money on his friends, and that's why he decided to rob him. So it was night time when Anil, he was fast asleep, he was sound asleep. Hari Singh, he stole his money. So he has committed his theft, and after committing the theft, we see that he ran out of the house and he began to run towards the railway station. He slowed down and he counted the notes. He found that it was 600 rupees in 50s. And he felt that now he could live like a prince for a week or two. यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा था. So we'll continue from this part. Let me just come to that page. Yes. So he said that when I was on road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees and 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So जो oil rich Arab merchants हैं, उनकी तरह अमीर लोगों की तरह 2 हफ्ते तो वो आराम से 600 रुपए में बिता सकता था. Now आप कहोगे 600 रुपीज तो कुछ भी मायने नहीं रखते, बट द स्टोरी जिस टाइम पीरियड में लिखी गई है, उस टाइम पे 600 रुपीज के भी काफी वैल्यू थी, बहुत ज्यादा थे। आप 600 रुपीज 60,000 के करीब काउंट कर सकते हो, राइट? So the narrator says, the thief, that is Hari Singh, when I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So when he reached the station, he ran straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express, it was already in motion. It had not picked up speed yet. And the narrator, he could have jumped into one of the carriages. He could have easily caught the train, but he could not do that. He said that he hesitated and he lost the chance to get on board. वो ट्रेन चढ़ नहीं पाता है, उसे पकड़ नहीं पाता है, जबकि वो आसानी से ट्रेन पे चढ़ सकता था। ट्रेन ने अभी स्पीड पिकअप नहीं की थी। मोर ओवर, ही डिड नॉट इवन बॉदर टू बाय द टिकट, क्योंकि उसकी आदत थी, वॉज अ थीफ, वो कभी भी टिकट नहीं लेता था और वो सीधा प्लेटफॉर्म में जाता था और ट्रेन में चढ़ जाता था। एंड हियर, due to some reason, he hesitated. He says that I can't explain the reason for which I hesitated, but I could not catch the train. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. So, what we see here, that the narrator, he had to stay there as the train was gone, the platform was deserted. Deserted means no one was there except Hari Singh. And he did not have a single idea where to spend the night. He said that he did not have any friends there. उसने कभी दोस्त बनाए ही नहीं थे। दोस्त का मतलब trouble, and that's why he avoided in his life making friends. And he says, I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. At this time of the night, he said that he did not want to make anybody suspicious why he was going to stay in such small hotels which were near the railway station. So, just to avoid the suspicion, he could not go to hotels as well. And he said, the only person I knew really well was the man that I had robbed. So एक ही इंसान को वो शहर में जानता था और वो था अनिल, बट उसने उसको भी धोखा दे दिया था, उसकी चोरी कर ली थी उसके घर पे। Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So स्टेशन से निकलकर बाजार की तरफ से वो आगे बढ़ता चला गया। In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. And he talks about the observations that he had made throughout his career. He said that I have observed the faces of the people who lose their goods. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. तो जो लालची इंसान होते थे उनके चेहरे पर डर होता था, because they knew that they had also got those things or money, earned the money by looting someone, by deceiving someone, because they were greedy, so they used to deceive people. So उस डिसेप्शन से बचने के लिए डर जाते थे वो पुलिस के पास भी नहीं जाते थे। द रिच दे शोड एंगर, जो अमीर होते थे ऑब्वियसली वो गुस्सा होते थे अगर उनके घर हरी सिंह चोरी करता था। देन द पुअर शोड एक्सेप्टेंस, वो हालात से समझौता कर लेते थे, वो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते थे, बिकॉज द पुअर मैन दे आर हेल्पलेस, so hopeless situation में होते, they could not even go to police would never help them, so they just showed the acceptance of the reality. But he says, I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money but for the loss of trust. और वो कहता है कि मुझे अनिल का चेहरा अच्छे से पता है कि when he would discover the theft, उसके चेहरे पर कौन सी एक्सप्रेशंस होंगी, सैडनेस होंगी। देयर वुड बी अ टच ऑफ सैडनेस, बट इट वुड बी नॉट बी फॉर लॉस ऑफ मनी। अनिल एक केयरलेस इंसान है, पैसों का आना जाना उसके लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखता है, सो ही वुड नॉट शो सैडनेस फॉर द लॉस ऑफ मनी, बट ऑफ कोर्स जो ट्रस्ट ही हैड डेवलप्ड ऑन हरि सिंह, and the loss of trust was definitely going to give him pain, and the sadness could be seen about the loss of trust. उसे पता था कि अनिल के चेहरे पर वो कैसे एक्सप्रेशंस को देखेगा. I found myself in मैदान and sat down on a bench. तो अब तक वो एक खुले इलाके में मैदान में आ चुका था एंड वहां पर बेंच था, उस पार्क में वो बैठ गया. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. रात का समय था, खुला मैदान था. वो बेंच पे जब आकर बैठता है, उसे ठंड लग रही थी क्योंकि नवंबर का महीना चल रहा था. एंड द लिटिल ड्रिजल, जो हल्की बारिश थी, उसने और ज्यादा खराब कर दिया मौसम. He felt discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. और जल्द ही भारी बारिश शुरू हो गई. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So as he was totally wet, उसके कपड़े उसकी बॉडी से चिपक चुके थे. ठंडी हवा उसके चेहरे पर और ज्यादा उसकी तकलीफ को बढ़ा रही थी. एंड कोल्ड विंड ब्लू द रेन अक्रॉस माय फेस, क्योंकि जो बारिश की थपेड़े थी पड़ रही थी, जो शार थी जो उसके चेहरे तक पहुंच रही थी, तेज बारिश जो थी उसके चेहरे पर पड़ रही थी और उसे तकलीफ हो रही थी. आप देखो, जब हवा चलती है और बारिश तेज हो जाती है तो बारिश की बूंदे भी हमें चोट पहुंचाती है, राइट. He says, I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. So, at the center of the market, there was a clock tower. Hari Singh went there, he sat there. He was in a confused state of mind what to do next. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the screen, from the rain. So he felt the notes. उसने अपने वापस से नोट अपने हाथ में लिए. They were all damp. सारे जो नोट थे भीग चुके थे. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. See, a kind of realization could be seen now. Somewhere, Hari Singh was feeling guilty. उसे पछतावा हो रहा था कि किसके पैसे थे जो आज भीगे हुए हैं? अनिल के पैसे हैं. और वो सोचता है कि अगर मैं ये पैसे न चुराता तो क्या होता. In the morning, Anil would have given the money to him, suppose a rupee, 3 rupees or so, and would have asked him to go to cinema. But अब तो उसके पास सारे पैसे हैं, लेकिन अब वो क्या नहीं कर सकता है. He says that now he could not cook for him anymore, or run to bazaar, or learn to read or write in whole sentences. So actually he was thinking that in the excitement of the theft, he had totally forgotten that now his relationship with Anil had changed. He could cook the meals for him, run to bazaar for shopping, bringing day's supplies, receive education from him. He understood that it was easy to steal, easy to be caught, but it was really difficult to be a respected man like Anil. And he says that I had forgotten about them in the excitement of theft. मैं भूल ही चुका था, अपनी चोरी की एक्साइटमेंट में सब कुछ भूल चुका था. क्या? The whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. कि अगर मैं एजुकेटेड हो जाता, पढ़ना लिखना सीख जाता, तो मैं शायद और अच्छे पैसे कमा सकता था, बेहतर तरीके से कमा सकता था. I knew could one day bring me more than 100 rupees. It was a simple matter to steal. And sometimes just as simple to be caught. चोरी करना बहुत आसान था और उससे भी आसान था पकड़ा जाना. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man was something else. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So उसका जो गिल्ट था उसे वो एहसास करा रहा था कि उसने कितनी बड़ी गलती की है. अगर वो आज ये चोरी नहीं करता तो वो शायद कुछ समय बाद पढ़ लिख कर एक रिस्पेक्टेबल लाइफ जीता. Now see the urge in Hari Singh, the thief, of living a respectable life. He had seen Anil, the way he lived, the simple life he lived, the respect that he got from people. And now he had developed that urge in him. He wanted to lead a simple, respectable life. He wanted to be a big man because he knew that if he had learned to read and write, he would have become big man. He wanted to live a respected life. and he said, I want to go back to him. I should go back to him. उसे वापस जाना चाहिए. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Yes, how we see that the narrator, he makes a strong decision. He decided to go back to the room, and he said that it was easy to steal, but returning something that has been stolen, and that too undetected, it's the difficult part. ये आसान नहीं होता है. वो जानता था कि अब तक तो शायद अनिल भी उठ चुका होगा, उसे अगर पता चल चुका होगा पैसे नहीं है, वो क्या करेगा, और अनडिटेक्टेड वे में पैसे वो कैसे रखेगा. And he said, I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in the clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. So वो धीरे से वापस आता है, दरवाजा खोलता है और दरवाजे पर ही खड़ा रहता है. इन द क्लाउडेड मूनलाइट. क्लाउडेड मूनलाइट मीन्स बादल छाए हुए हैं. अब जो रोशनी जो पहले खिड़की से अंदर आ रही थी, जो अनिल के चेहरे पर पड़ रही थी, अब वो रोशनी साफ साफ नहीं आ रही है, बिकॉज द मून इज क्लाउडेड. मून जो है क्लाउड्स के पीछे छुपा हुआ है और उसमें से हल्की हल्की जो रोशनी कमरे पर आ रही है. अनिल वॉज स्टिल asleep. Anil abhi bhi soya hua tha. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute and then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. So, धीरे से he slipped the damp currency notes under the mattress and then he went to sleep. So, जब वो रख रहा था, I could feel the breath of Anil, लेकिन वो धीरे से उस पैसे को वापस अपनी जगह पर रख देता है. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. रात भर उसने काफी देर तक यहाँ वहां वो भटका था, जागा रहा था. सो हरि सिंह जब सुबह लेट उठा, उसने देखा अनिल had already prepared the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50-rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you'll be paid regularly. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we'll start writing sentences, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So what we see the next morning, Anil had prepared the tea. He offered him his hand, and uske haathon mein kya tha? He had those damp currency notes, and he was giving 50 rupees to Hari Singh. So Anil offered 50 rupees to the narrator, and he said that now he would be paid regularly. He added कि अब उसे रोज तनख्वाह मिला करेगी. And he also remarked that they would start writing sentences from that day. Somewhere, Anil, he knew about the robbery. Anil knew about the theft. And narrator also felt that कि अनिल को उस चोरी के बारे में पता है, but he didn't say anything about him. And this kindness made him smile most thankfully for his master. And this time, the appealing smile, उसके लिए उसे कोई कोशिश नहीं करनी पड़ी थी. It was a genuine smile that came on his face. हम देखते हैं कि हरि सिंह के चेहरे पर इस बार एक स्माइल है. हरि सिंह स्माइल कर रहा था, थैंकफुल वे में, ग्रेटफुल था वो अनिल के प्रति, बिकॉज अनिल ने बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं जताया कि उसे उस चोरी के बारे में पता है. सो हम क्या पाते हैं स्टोरी से? आई वॉन्ट टू हैव योर रिस्पॉन्सेज नाउ. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाई डिड अनिल not say anything to Hari Singh? What exactly is the theme of the story? What did you get from the story? So let me have responses from your side. Yes, Vita. Then we will discuss the questions. Yes, who's going to speak first? बताइए. No one. What's the matter? Yes, Bhumi beta, बोलिए.
Kindness is somewhat that can change the thought of an evil and the evil also.
Very good. अगर हम kind है, if we are kind towards people, even those who are criminals or those who are not good at heart, we can actually bring that kindness in them as well. हम उन्हें भी बदल सकते हैं. We can bring a great change in their behavior. Yes, Bhumi, anything else that you would like to add? What else would you like to add to it?
It's very easy to steal a rich person or a poor person, but it's very difficult to steal a person whose heart is pure and kind.
Yes, of
So,
course.
can we add we cannot betray somebody's trust?
We should not betray somebody's trust, right? Yes, हमें नहीं धोखा देना चाहिए.
It's
हाँ जी, आप म्यूट हो गए हो.
we can we write it's difficult to break somebody's trust?
No, we cannot write it is difficult. That was a point of view shared by Hari Singh, that he found it difficult to betray. बहुत आसानी से we see that people जो है they break the trust of others, but we should not do that. अगर कोई आप पर blind faith रखता है, हमें उसके भरोसे को कभी तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, है ना? It should not be shaken. It should not be shattered, those faith that we have. So why do you think Anil did not say anything to Hari Singh? आपको क्यों लगता है अनिल ने कुछ क्यों नहीं कहा होगा?
Anil did not say anything to Hari Singh because he felt that because he had knew that he had came to know by seeing the notes were wet. He came to know that they were stolen by him, but he did not say anything because there was a change in Hari Singh as he had kept those notes back. So he just remark as that he did not know anything.
Yes, very good. So what we see that Anil, he knew that he also knew about the habit of Hari Singh, that how he used to steal a rupee every day. Somewhere he knew, but he kept quiet, right? So we see that how it was a kind of big test, क्योंकि अनिल ने वो पैसे जानबूझकर हरि सिंह को दिखाए थे. He was putting him under a big test, and when Hari Singh he returned the wet note, Anil kept quiet because उसका भी भरोसा जीत चुका था. His faith had won and he had succeeded in changing the heart of the thief. So what exactly is the theme of the story? It's mainly focuses on the basic goodness of an individual, which can actually, we can say, which can be rekindled with patience, trust and unconditional love. है ना, कि जो अच्छाई है वो दूसरों के अंदर जगाई जा सकती है, हम उसे रिकिंडल कर सकते हैं अगर हम थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखें, दूसरों पर भरोसा जताएं और एक अनकंडीशनल स्नेह उनकी तरफ दिखाएं. बिकॉज नोबडी इज बोर्न एज अ क्रिमिनल. People, they are led astray due to circumstances, and with deep care, love, affection shown towards this kind of people, we can bring a change in them, the way Hari Singh के अंदर जो चेंज था अनिल लेकर आया. He brought him on the right track, right? And we see that Anil had seen the spark in Hari Singh, that how he also wanted to lead a respectable life, the way he was learning to read and write. Somewhere Hari Singh also realized the importance of being literate. So if we can make people understand the importance of literacy, education in life, the importance of honesty, these virtues are important part of a human life. And इसीलिए हर इंसान जो एक रिस्पेक्टेबल लाइफ जीना चाहता है, क्योंकि इन चीजों से लाइफ में बहुत सुकून रहता है, पीस रहता है, जैसे अनिल एक पीसफुल लाइफ जी रहा था. Hari Singh had realized when Hari Singh saw Anil sleeping there, he found the peace on his face, and he was actually jealous at that time. He compared himself that even he was younger than Anil, but still he had scars on his face, and Anil had a peaceful life. He wanted to live like Anil, and that's why we see that how with Anil's sincere love, Hari Singh is able to mend his ways, change his made and start afresh. And that one opportunity, it was given by अनिल. अगर अनिल ने उसे दोषारोपण किया होता, उसको पुलिस के हवाले कर दिया होता, तो आज जो ये स्पार्क हरि सिंह के अंदर थी वो भी खत्म हो जाती, और अनिल उसके अंदर उस बदलाव को नहीं ला पाता, और हरि सिंह भी अपने आप को बदलने की इच्छा को छोड़ देता. बिकॉज अनिल ने क्या देखा, हरि सिंह वापस आ गया था. और अगर कहते हैं ना कि सुबह का भूला शाम को घर वापस आ जाए तो उसे भूला नहीं कहते, हमें माफ करना चाहिए. सो दैट वे अनिल ही डिसाइडेड टू फॉरगिव हिम and he wanted to give him another opportunity to start afresh, and thus this kindness was rekindled in Hari Singh with the efforts of the goodness, the efforts of Anil. And this is what is the theme of the story, the thief story. Let's quickly discuss the few questions that are here. Yes, the first here is, what are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? पहला सवाल है, what are the prospects? हरि सिंह जो है उसका जो रिएक्शन था on receiving an education, क्या वो बदल जाते हैं समय के साथ? कुछ hints भी दिए हैं. For example, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these later thoughts, whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was simple matter to steal. So these are hints given. You can justify your answer. And there is third part also, what makes him return to Anil? So let me have the responses from you. We have 3 minutes in hand. We can discuss this question today. The rest we will discuss tomorrow. Yes, beta. Who is going to answer? Daksh, roll number 10. Daksh, unmute and answer this question. What are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? हरि सिंह क्या सोचता है एजुकेटेड होने के बारे में, और उसकी क्या जीवन में अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगी अगर वो पढ़ लिख जाता है? तो हरि सिंह के क्या रिएक्शंस हैं? Daksh, can you unmute and answer? You're present here today. No. चलिए भूमि आप ही बताइए, आपने हैंड रेज किया है.
Hari Singh, at first in the story, it is mentioned that Hari Singh reaction to the prospect of receiving an education was that with the help of an education, he would be able to theft to gain through theft. He could achieve more and more money. But when we come to end of the story, we there was a change over the time as was a change over the time as he there was a change over time as he when he took the money from Anil and ran, but he came back because it was the effect of an education, because an education is somewhat that can change the mindset of any person, either poor or a rich or a criminal. So and due to this change, the new somewhat some new kind of feeling came into him, which motivated him to gain more and more study education
and return to Anil as well. The answer to the last question, क्योंकि आप पूरा आंसर एक साथ है. Yes, good answer बेटा. Daksh, yes, now you can unmute. Yes, आपने hand raise किया है. Same question.
Hari Singh was very happy and grateful when he learned to write his name. He was very excited when Anil promised to teach him to write whole sentences as well. He knew that being an educated man will add to his abilities and he could achieve anything.
Yes, correct. And
he would achieve anything.
Yes, he would achieve anything and he could gain any materialistic success in his life. And we see gradually the thought strengthen. उसका जो ये थॉट था, ये जो कि पढ़ा लिखा होने से उसके जीवन में खुशियां आएंगी, इट गॉट स्ट्रेंथन विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. एंड वो क्या सोचने लगा कि इफ ही कुड रीड एंड राइट लाइक एन एजुकेटेड मैन, देयर वुड बी नो लिमिट टू हिज अचीवमेंट, है ना. और he could earn a few hundred rupees. तो उसका जो था वो मटेरियलिस्टिक गेन की तरफ और बढ़ गया कि पढ़े लिखे होने के बाद वो पैसा कमा सकेगा. और इसके ज्यादा मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली उसके अंदर जो इच्छा डेवलप हुई टू लिव अ रिस्पेक्टेबल लाइफ, that is also important. And with this urge of leading a respectable life, he returned back to his master Anil, because he knew only Anil could actually educate him. Okay, now we will stop here today. We will discuss the rest of the questions tomorrow. So homework is to find answer to these questions for the discussion. Okay, beta? Thank you.